Today, we'll explore Algotronics, a unique programmable array architecture. The Kali 0 to 4 is a prime example. It features 1024 identical logic cells arranged in a 32 by 32 matrix. 128 programmable input-output pins allow for cascading chips to create even larger arrays. Notice the cell interconnect. Each cell connects to its north, south, east, and west neighbors. Crucially, two global clock signals provide low-skew clocking to all cells simultaneously. Row select lines and bit lines program the RAM within each cell, dynamically customizing its logic function. This shows the cell design. 4-through multiplexers route signals from the 4 directions. Multiplexers also route signals to a function unit, including inputs from neighboring cells, the global clock signals, and feedback from the function block itself. These multiplexers, like in Xilinx arrays, are controlled by small 5-transistor static RAM cells. A clever design uses only one pin per I/O. A ternary, or 3-level, logic scheme senses when two outputs are driving each other. An XOR gate then determines the correct input value, resolving potential conflicts. Algotronics utilizes largely automated placement and routing. However, all routing, except for the global clock lines, must pass through cells. This means a signal could potentially travel through 64 cells in the worst case, leading to noticeable delays, despite using fast transmission gates. Key points for exam: Kali 0 to 4 is a programmable array by Algotronics with 1024 cells in a 32 x 32 matrix. Each logic cell connects to north, south, east, and west neighbors. 128 I/O pins for cascading into larger arrays. Global interconnect signals provide low-skew clocking across the chip. RAM-controlled multiplexers customize logic cells dynamically. Ternary logic in I/O pads resolves contention between outputs. Signals may traverse up to 64 cells, causing potential delay. Real-time reprogramming enables dynamic execution at high speeds.